Hey guys, in this video we are going to make a simple organizer just so that I can organize my sewing stuff, but you can use it to organize pretty much everything, including socks, underwear, and just small items that you have in your wardrobe or in your space that are just lying around. And it's also very much space effective because it can be just hanged on a wall and it takes a very minimal space. So guys, I'm glad to be back to doing DIY, and I hope that you will enjoy this video. It is short and it's very self-explanatory and precise. Please, you can watch it to the end. And in this case, I am using this leather fabric. I bought it at a thrift store for 25 shillings. And yeah guys, just stick around and let's make this together. And if you have a comment, a question, please be free to write it in the comment section, and let's do this. So I'm using binding at the edge to just seal off the edge and to make it look neat. So this is what I'm going to put in my organizer, and you can see it's really so many things, and they were able to fit in, and I also still had space to put some more. So yeah, you can see, you can also make one of these and tell me how it goes. It's really simple to make. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for always coming back to support me if you are a new subscriber, and if you are a returning subscriber, I also appreciate you. Please consider to share, to like, to comment, so that my work can be recommended to more people. guys, so you can see how much little space this now takes up, and my items are well organized and I can also easily find them. So thank you so much for watching, and God bless you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.